The NGS closed on a flat note amid sell-offs and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index appreciated by 2 basis points. The all-share index closed at 47,163.94 points to reflect a growth of 0.02% from the previous trading day and a year-to-date return of 10.41%. If you look at the market capitalization increased by 3.98 billion at the close of market on Wednesday. The stock exchange market value currently stands at 25.42 trillion at the end of the trading session. But let's quickly look at in terms of volume and value. Meanwhile, volume declined by 11.86% and value went up by 3.21 billion naira in about 4,099 deals. But if you look at the top gainers for the day, looking at CAP gaining about 10% to close at 19 naira 80 kobo. You have Len Africa gaining about 9.6% to gain about to close at 2.17. Champions closed the day with 2 naira 4 kobo after adding up 17 kobo. Sterling Bank have about 6% in terms of 6 kobo rather, which went up by 3.94% to close at 1 naira 58 kobo at the close of the corn oil. Came in the top of the gainers there, weight about 70 kobo to close at 24 naira 70 kobo at the end of the session. But if you look at other company in the red, FCMB, Mutual Benefit Assurance, you have declining by about 7.41% and FCMB losing about 32 kobo to close at 3 naira 35 kobo at the end of the day. ABC Transport declined yesterday by 6.25% to close at 30 kobo after losing about 2 kobo at the end of session yesterday. Farmadeco lost about 11 kobo yesterday. FTN Cocoa lost about 2 kobo to close at 32 kobo at the close of today. That's a representation about 5.88%. But if you look across the sectoral movement, looking at the NSE 30, NSE Banking, Insurance, Industries, NSE Oil and Gas and ASN Board at the close of yesterday. Well, the NSE Banking still continuing in the red yesterday with about 0.06%, and you have insurance sector also losing about 58.09%. Also, across all sectors yesterday, we're having a bit of a decline there, except for the ASN board, which remained flat, relatively flat there. Now, a good time to bring in our analyst, regular analyst, Mr. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Investor Consulting Limited. He joins us via the telephone now. Thank you, Mr. Ambrose, for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah. So if you look at the market yesterday, market recovers from two negative sessions yesterday by about 0.03%. So if you pull that together in terms of money value, that's about almost about 4 billion naira at the close of yesterday. Give us some factors that drove the market or brought the market to positive territory at the close of Wednesday.
Yeah, actually, what was in market yesterday, I was able that when you see market decline for almost 5 or 6 days, they are back to the activities of the banking hunters to bring the market up because they have seen prices decline to the position. What there was a kind of investors or traders taking advantage of the pullback to position at the lower prices, knowing that we're still having more companies to really acquire, and at the same time, many companies on the exchange are still notifying the exchange and the public of their close period for first quarter earnings that is not due on 31st of March. And in this situation, where we're expecting that those that have December year end to submit their own debt till the end of March 31st, and also companies that have December year end also submitting their first quarter in early April or the month of April. So these activities, because of its number, I think that earnings give insight on the result of a company. And being the first quarter earnings for the new year, for the new financial year, investors are seeking to see this number, to see where they can move their portfolio or rebalance their portfolio to the economic situation that is happening globally and locally. For me, it's a good move yesterday. And today, yes, we saw the market index this morning crossing down around 47 bargain hunters and the afternoon traders came to the market, they changed the face of the market because we're coming closer to the end of the quarter, and also knowing that end of the quarter comes with the dressing by portfolio managers. At the same time, we're expecting the company to release their non-profit actions. These are the factors that are in the market. Don't forget that as we're doing all these, people are also mirroring what is happening in Ukraine and in Russia. If any improvement in that area will also influence the market positively, but I believe that with the decision of the CBN or MPC meeting to liberate is a good thing for the economy so that we can sustain our recovery. And that is one we're looking at. To see the economic data, for the first quarter of the year in April. That also decides where the economy is going.
You talk about the fact that the market is back in the green zone this morning in early trading. So tell us more about that. Do we see some of the? Are you saying we're going to see the market sustain the rally witnessed the trading session yesterday?
Yeah, the market is likely to sustain that tempo. But we know that yesterday it was a huge market of black trade, and this I also buying sentiment from my friend. Buying sentiment against the US selling position. So people are coming back with a new buying trend because of low price attraction. And not only that, there's no difference in that many companies are just doing their profit attraction now. For that, I expect the trend also yesterday to continue today. Despite that, some stock will be adjusted now. You know that one of the stock for dividends, like stocks like the now, if you're removing the thing that's for the price, that would go down the index. Yeah.
Now, this, of course, we're having the fourth trading day of the week. Yes, we also see, I mean, how much of impact the MPC, the outcome of the MPC, it's having on the market. Maybe you need to give us a bit of analysis of that. Did we see the market react to that decision of the MPC meeting in any way at all?
As we speak now, like one thing that I work for the circular flow of in any financial market, the interest rates are direct towards where money goes, and also what the cost of credit can get for higher return. And so the interest rate for MPI is left unchanged. It's going to be kind of the advantage for the fixed income market because inflation is up at this time. And when inflation is looking up at this time, there are about to be adjustment in rate. And when the adjustment in rate, when the adjustment in rate, you need to also hold on because when the adjustment in rate, there are about to be adjustment in rate. Hold on. On that note, investors presented that they should take position in stocks that I believe that have fundamental dividend. That is what we're doing now.
Okay. Mr. Ambrose, I want us to take a break in a moment. We'll be back to discuss more. Please just hang on there. Be back in a moment. Please stay with us. Glad to have you back now. This is Business Breakfast coming to you live from our studios here in Lagos, Nigeria's commercial capital. Mr. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invested Consulting Limited. Market. Looking at the market performance at the close of Wednesday and, of course, the outlook for the rest of the day and the week. Thank you for your time. Let's look at some of the top gainers for Wednesday's session. CAP, Len Africa champion, Sterling Bank, Conoil. Sterling Bank doing about, did about 6 kobo yesterday. That's about 9.95% to close at 158 kobo. In a long time, this is the first time I'm seeing Sterling Bank appearing in the top 5 gainers for the day. And what does the stock, have going for it? What's the support level the stock is enjoying?
So actually, if you remember, I'm saying that most of the financial sector, especially the banking industry, where there is consistent dividend payment for years. On that note, investors are looking at those cheap banking stocks that are yet to release their numbers, which Sterling Bank is one of them. And not only that also, Sterling Bank, as we speak now, has a dual business, in that rim. They have a license for non-interest banking and also for commercial banking. She said that going to the future, this will boost Sterling Bank performance. Yes, we expect to see their audited account before the end of 31st of this month. If it comes and sustain a good performance, that will also support the price of what. She could say that just as taking advantage of the low price because they are touching 172 and put back to 150, so they is 4% back for me. In better thing, I said that those prices, like I said, this won't be the market has suffered on this. So an attraction for backing hunters to come back to the market and position for me. Backing person has stand out in the market for consistently 10 months payout.
So does that suggest, therefore, that the stock or the shares of Sterling Bank is a good buy?
Yeah. For long-term investors, I think that's a good buy.
Now, let's look at Conoil. Conoil plays in the oil and gas sector, and given the fact that we've seen some price surge in the price of crude oil, how much is the this particular stock or investors in this particular stock, reacting to the fact that the oil sector or the crude market internationally, it's rally on a green zone at the moment?
Actually, looking at the oil sector to speak about, there are two things there that is dragging the stock in the oil sector. As we look at the unlimited accounts for that sector, most of the companies that have a good set of performance. And what union in UK has impacted good and into good business, especially for one low and Setland. But with the recent move after the NBC meeting on Monday, that the CBN is likely to also intervene in this oil or fuel and diesel related business of the certain key that affected the price of this product that is lacking on the African sector because of high cost of the NGO. On that note, CBN has decided that in the last meeting that it is doesn't. And don't forget that before now, NFTC said they are the ones importing fuel for Nigeria. So when we had the bad fuel, now it's because that they are referring to names that we are importing fuel. If that is what is happening, and CBN intervening in this sector, it's very important to us. Most of the companies in that sector will benefit from it because when we had bad fuel, we are referring to names that we are importing it. But before now, it was not clear that the dependency was important. But if you're able to intervene, it's because they are important that also have access to this one. And that means that most of these oil companies that really are into importing of this fuel also benefit from it. But I think that in this year, we are seeing fuel price up, at the same time, we are seeing oil price in the international market, and we are seeing a better number of customers at the unlimited account for this component. I think that this sentiment will remain. But technically, most of the stocks in that sector are looking good because they are sitting decline for a long time. That means they have what is supporting them. When you see psychology of investors, they're going towards company or a sector positively to also support the price of this company.
All right, let's flip to the other side now. ABC Transport was among the top 5 losers at the close of Wednesday section, losing about 2 kobo to close as 30 kobo. That's about 6.25% at the close of trading section. But then we've not seen enough activities from this particular stock. I mean, what do you think inform the fact that we've not seen some activities from this particular company?
For APC transport, as I mentioned, for me, the price coming down is just market activity, just sentiment. But ideally, in a well-organized economy, where we are seeing that cost of transportation is high, and this at one of the transportation business, they expect their numbers to look up It's also the newspaper for traffic. For me, it's a mixed sentiment, and this negative sentiment in terms of fundamental news as regard the high cost of issue. You know that this is what most of the news are not those for their bosses. For me, in order to adjust the position, and not forget that most of the companies that are not giving stock that feature on that social side are bound to be there because investors are selling off most of their position to position for people that need to take dividends, knowing that the best match depends on all the corporate earnings to the market. For me, it's good work for the market.
Let's wrap up with this. Yeah. Sorry, in 30 seconds, tell us what you think or the direction of the market for today. I have said that we've seen early rally or positive rally in the market today. So what is the market likely to end up with today?
Yeah, like I just said earlier that this morning, because of the price adjustment for dividends or what call it markdown for physical, the index crossed below the 47,000 mark, but back again above it now. Let's see what the market, but I think that we see in this market between now and